What's going on, my beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. Okay, so this is my first mystery jar on this channel that I have already cracked the mystery. I actually filmed this video and then I'm refilming it because everything that has something of value of it, I didn't find out until after I filmed the video, and I wanted to bring it to you where I can show you and tell you what I found. Okay, so I purchased this mystery jar of jewelry for $25, and the first item of your choice before 11 o'clock at this particular Salvation Army is 50% off, so I got it for $12.50. And let me show you guys what I purchased. Let me start off with this. This is something that I'm keeping. This is a stainless steel necklace, and I absolutely love it. Show you how long it is. Gorgeous. I think I'm gonna show you guys everything that I'm keeping first. So I got these bangles. Start off with this one. It's just this one plain kind of metal looking one. Absolutely, I love it. And this will not be my last jewelry bag because I'm very pleased with this. I have these 4 bangles that are right here. No markings for those. Okay. Here's another necklace that I'm keeping. I looked this one up and they sell this at Macy's. Look at that. And you guys know that I said I wanted to go simple for my jewelry. And this has a marking on it, and it has, I think it's 2028 is the name of this jewelry. Yes, 2028. Beautiful, and it's like a copper / rose gold necklace. Winning, love. Next one that I'm keeping is on this leather. Kind of still untangling. Right here, it's on this leather kind of looking necklace, so to speak. I think this is so pretty, just with a white t-shirt. There's no markings on this one, but I thought it was cute, like a little gunmetal. Is there any other necklaces that I'm keeping? Okay, so this is a possibility that I'm going to put this in a lot and sell it. This is the back of it. And if I put it in a lot, this is White House Black Market. And it's missing actually one of the strands. Like, it's supposed to have like another strand right here of beads or jewels, and that one is missing, but I put that, you know, I'll notify whoever purchased it that it is missing one. And that was in the bag as well. And here is a marking for it. Okay, so this is what I call a little, you see a lot of people who loves to surf with these on. I don't know, I might donate this back to the thrift store. And this one is actually a very long beaded necklace. This will be in a lot with the other 2 that I showed you. Show you how long it is. Next up, this bracelet, I plan on putting it in a lot. It's one of those wraparound bracelets. It'll also go with the necklaces that I just showed you. Okay, so I love this. When I saw this, I was like, yes. It was one of the second things that came out the bag. I'm actually wondering if this is actual a stone. This ring is a Joan Rivers ring. That's what it looks like. Super cute. The same day that I did the video, I shot the video, I started wearing this. I absolutely love it. Next one, this doesn't have any markings on it at all, but I love this. Look how it's got like a little square look to it. I wore this one the same day. Show you guys what this looks like. Kind of put me in the mind of the bracelet that I purchased from the thrift store. That it kind of looks like a cute little set together. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is so pretty to me. Look at that. The simple, I told you I wanted to go simple with necklaces, and you can't get any simpler than this right here. It has no markings on it. This is the back of it. Love. I will definitely be doing more mystery bags on this channel. This I already asked my father, did he want them? And he said yes. And this is what they look like. Some cufflinks, no markings on them. Let's see. Okay, so I think that's all that I'm keeping for myself. I'm going to show you my scores. These are all marked 9.925, which means they're silver. Let me show you this one last. This is the best one. So it's making me wonder, is that possibly a diamond? Because this is marked 925, so this is a silver ring. It was, silver earring. It was only this one that was in the bag, and marking is right along here, and I know you can't see it with my camera. So that is silver. This right here is also real silver. It's marked along the side where it says 925. You can't see it as well. If anyone knows what this stone could possibly be, please let me know. This one is also marked 925, like right in here. There's that one. This is marked 925 as well. Place it on this necklace mount. And the 925 is marked on the clamp, the closure. You guys are not really gonna be able to see this. Okay. It's at the very top. I know you can't see it. I do have a necklace where at least the part, the fish hook that goes in your ear, is 14 karat gold filled. And that's when they just take a metal and they literally put gold over like copper, sometimes silver. This is the earring, and it didn't have a match with it, and I actually like this. My ears are not pierced, never have been. Okay. The marking for this, you're definitely not going to be able to see, but I'm going to show it anyway. It is along there. And I know you can't see it. Okay, this is the best. This is a Cartier earring. Yeah. So I'm thinking this might be onyx. If anybody could help me out and tell me what that could be inside of the silver, that has the 925 marking and stamp Cartier. Yeah, I'm happy about that. So my question is, I know that's just a little bit of silver. Do I save all the silver that I find for, you know, so many months to where I get some good weight and then I take it to try to sell it, or is that even worth seeing how much you can get for it? Okay, so let's go ahead. This is a watch. I'm gonna put this in a lot by Icing, stainless steel backing. It's a cuff bracelet watch. Sure, all it needs is a battery. This is one of the things I actually kind of saw peeking through the jar. These earrings had the match. They don't have any markings on it, but if I sell that watch, I'm gonna go ahead and put this as a lot with the earrings to go with it. This is by Ann Taylor, and this is for a little girl. My daughter has 2 goddaughters, and what I'm gonna do is wait till the 3-year-old is a little bit older. She just turned 3, because the 3-year-old and the baby is 7 months. They both put stuff in their mouth. So at least if the 3-year-old gets a little bit older, what I'm gonna do is, like, all the kids' jewelry that I get, okay, sorry, I had a message come through. All the kids' jewelry that I get, I'm going to put it probably back in this jar. And then when I get it filled, hopefully they'll be of age where I don't have to worry about someone choking or swallowing something. Okay, so these are going to go into a lot. These are some antique earrings. They are made by L'Oreal Birch, something like that. I think it's B-U-R-C-H. Now look these up. Some people are selling these on Etsy at different prices, but what I'm going to do is lot the 3 of them, because I have 3 pair of earrings made by this particular jewelry maker. These kind of look like they have enamel, and it was a set. It's also made by the same lady that I just showed you. And here's her stamping mark on the back. And the 3rd pair are called Dancing Spirit, and it's another pair of earrings made by her. This is what they look like. And it did have a matching earring as well. And it has the LB and then her signature. Okay, so these little earrings right here, these little studded gold earrings, are by Monette. And I'm going to also give these to the little ones as well. That's where it's stamped at. This right here, I'm just going to probably send it back to the thrift store. This was in there. Nothing special about that. This right here, I'm going to see if one of my YT friends want it. She does arts and crafts with the seniors in her state. I figure you can get, like, these are some glass stones. You can get like 3 bracelets out of these. So that's what they look like. These particular ones right here, I know I'm sending back to the thrift store. Kind of like candy. Okay, so the rest is just some straggly stuff. Oh, here's another necklace. I think I'm gonna take the heart off of this rope and probably try to find my own string and put one on for myself. This right here is a little glass stone that I'm going to save. And I think that is so pretty. Look at that. It matches my picture that's back there. But I'm going to save this and make a necklace out of this for myself. This is another little stone earring. I'm going to take off the fish hook and I'm going to put this on a necklace for myself. This I'm probably going to toss or send it back to the thrift store. Maybe somebody can do some arts and crafts with it. These were two little bitty watches. Geneva. That was in there. I think I'm going to take the toggle off and try to use that, the toggle closure. You know, at a later date, the watches can go back. This is called Hallmark Accents. It's broke on the back. Here is all of the kids' jewelry, which is this little bracelet right here. Again, I'm going to save it up for the two little girls that are my daughters, goddaughters. This one has a matching necklace to go with it. Here's one of the necklaces. Another child's necklace. The necklace to go with that bracelet that I just showed you. I'm going to soak them and clean them and disinfect them because, again, they both put stuff in their mouth. There's another one. I don't know if you guys want to see these little straggly earrings. I guess I'll show them real quick. This is by Chicos. It didn't have a match to go to it. Have no clue what these were. This I'm a trash. Send this back to the thrift store. This didn't have any markings on it. I thought it would have been silver, but it didn't have a match or any markings. Nothing. 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 This is just the stuff that was in it. I thought this was cute. It didn't have a match to go to it. It's a spoon, fork, and knife. Another little straggler. Another little straggler. There's a little bracelet. And a whole bunch of other little stragglers. I'm going to go really quick with them. They didn't have any markings. I don't know. What do you guys do with the little, I'm calling them stragglers. Because I thought this was cute. I'm not really wanting to hold on to anything else that I don't need. But this is not silver. On this little marking thing, it says something Mexico. It starts with the A. Could it be silver? No, it's not, because this actually stuck to this magnet. Another little straggler. Another little straggler. And last but not least, this little straggler right here. That is it, you guys. My first mystery jar. I think it was a success. And you will be getting another one of these videos from me. Until next time, you guys, stay blessed and stay safe, and I love you guys.